In New York City, we're proud of our world-class drinking water. It comes fresh from the Catskills, it's filtered by nature, and it's delivered to your home lead-free. But if your home has a lead service line, that clean water could pick up lead before it reaches your tap. I'm Alfonso Lopez, the Queensborough Commissioner for the New York City Department of Environmental Protection. Replacing lead pipes is one of the most effective ways to protect your family. Now, DEP is working to help eligible homeowners replace their privately owned lead service lines with new, safe copper lines for free. Service line replacements can typically cost more than $10,000, and homeowners in New York City own and are responsible for replacing their water service lines. But DEP is covering the entire cost through this replacement program. Only homeowners who are contacted by DEP can enroll. Keep an eye out for a postcard and a flyer explaining how to sign up. A DEP contractor will contact you to schedule an inspection of your service line to confirm it's made of lead and needs to be replaced. Our contractors are only interested in looking at your water lines, nothing else. Once they confirm that your service line is made of lead, a replacement date will be scheduled. Replacement work typically takes 1 to 2 days, and our crews will try to limit any disruptions to your water service. About 1 to 2 weeks after a replacement is complete, crews will come back to permanently repair the streets and sidewalks outside of your home.
But thank you very much. You did my water line. Thank you very much. DEP changed my lead line, and he did a good job.
Clean water should stay clean, all the way to your tap. Please don't miss your opportunity to save thousands of dollars to keep your water safe. Go to nyc.gov/leadpipe for more information.